Bam, what's goody? Baywood here, and today I'm going to show you a cool new trick I learned with vocals, and it's how to turn them lo-fi. There's something also I want to show you with automation that I think could be useful to some of you guys out there, so let's go.
I keep that bag on me, I can't do nothing for free, no. And y'all used to laugh when I was in class, now I had to rock all the cheap clothes. Bitch, I'm finna tax, everyone asking how much you charge for a feature. Just double your price on your refund, money come fast, so
right here,
I really don't need money come fast, I really don't need you. Go hard and get money, that's my whole demeanor. You going outside, leaving them leaking, I really get to it. My shit got a meaning, they put me in last, the fuck what y'all thinking?
I think a cool new thing that I'm gonna do with every song that I'm making and vocals that I'm working with is to really have a change up where it goes from lo-fi vocals to, you know, really clear vocals in your face. That little extra thing could change everything for the song. Besides the mixing, I added this cool plugin, and it's a free plugin called Isotope Vinyl. I just have it literally a 19 set on the year 1930. So I'm gonna go through these years.
Nah, I can't do nothing for free, no. And y'all used to laugh when I was in class, now I had to rock all the cheap clothes. Bitch, I'm finna tax, everyone asking how much you charge for a feature. Just double your price on your refund, money come fast, so I really don't need you. Money come fast, I really don't need you. Go hard and get money, that's my whole demeanor. You going outside, leaving them.
I think it's so cool, and literally all you gotta do is put this Isotope Vinyl plugin. I have it on the intro vocal, and it can really like, wow, that vocal opens way up. It's so cool when you really get to that hook part, like right here.
Fast, I really don't need you. Go hard and get money, that's my whole demeanor. You going outside.
And so yeah, I want to quickly show you that how I mix this real quick.
Fast, I really don't need you. Go.
So real simple, guys. We have an EQ. We have the compressor doing this.
Fast, I really don't need you. Go hard and get money, that's my whole.
Really light, really light. And then we have a de-esser, just controlling those harsh frequencies.
Fast, I really don't need you. Go hard and get money, that's my whole demeanor. You going outside.
And then when you're bussing the effects, I'm bussing to a Valhalla reverb. That's giving it space. And then I'm bussing to another Valhalla reverb, a larger decay. So just experimenting with delays, and that's also a fun thing.
Fast, I really don't need you. Go hard and get money, that's my whole demeanor. You going outside, leaving them leaking, I really get to it. My shit got a meaning, they put me in last, the fuck was y'all thinking? I jumped to the front just as fast as y'all blinking. I knew y'all was camp, I couldn't believe it, but that's how it go, you can trust with no reason.
Experiment with different types of plugins. Like usually the vinyl plugin I've only ever used on my beats and my master, but once I tried it on a vocal, it was awesome. So you can create these unique things for your songs if you just try different plugins that maybe aren't supposed to be for vocals or that aren't intended or marketed towards vocalists to vocal mix. Try something like that. I'm gonna be using it on most tracks I mix with, just saying, hey, does it sound better with the 1930s in the outro and intro and maybe the middle part of the track? Very cool and free plugin. Check it out and mess with these things. Really fun. You can get some nice vinyl sounds. Mess with all the buttons. Have a little fun. And I hope you guys enjoyed this short, quick tutorial. If you did, please smash that like button. Comment down below a random plugin that I should try on a vocal, and we're gonna try to make it sound good. So that could be a fun little series we do. And if you made it this far, you might as well hit that subscribe button. It'd really mean the world to me if you're interested in vocal mixing and audio tutorials. By the way, check out my free templates and free presets down below. You can download them right now. I will see you guys next time.
Peace. See, I keep that bag on me. Nah, I can't do nothing for free, no. And y'all used to laugh when I was in class, now I had to rock all the cheap clothes. Bitch, I'm finna tax, everyone asking how much you charge for a feature. Just double your price on your refund, money come fast, so I really don't need you. Money come fast, I really don't need you. Go hard and get money, that's my whole demeanor. You going outside, leaving them leaking, I really get to it. My shit got a meaning, they put me in last, the fuck was y'all thinking? I jumped to the front just as fast as y'all blinking. I knew y'all was camp, I couldn't believe it, but that's how it go, you can trust with no reason.